guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's the same day. Our load got changed again. We're in Carlisle, Pennsylvania right now. We're at Daily Express, and we're picking up a 135P headed to Lima, Ohio, and then we'll go from there. So I got a lot of equipment. But we're gonna load, and then I'm here. They're letting me load after hours, so I'll get back with you guys.
I think I'm a little crooked, so when I'm up there, it looks like a slide. Might be in there. This is a big one.
Alright guys, I forgot to record, so what I did was 2 chains and 2 binders in the next, hook in the front with a chain over the boom and 1 binder, and then for the rear where the blade is, I did a binder directly to the track to a chain through a spool, and the same on the other side, and then I used 2 shackles on the blade with another chain and a binder. What's up guys? It's afternoon now. It's 1 o'clock here in Pennsylvania. We got loaded at Daily yesterday, and I ended up spending the night at their terminal. Man, the Pennsylvania permits, oh god, they are bringing me through the ringer. I'm 13.8 high and 9 foot wide. Instead of taking the 81 to the 80, and I could have meant straight over to into Ohio, they brought me through every back road possible, and tight hairpin turns and towns, and now we're on the US 30. Well, we've been on the US 30, getting closer to Pittsburgh, and for the last 2 miles there's signs like this saying no placard vehicles, yada yada yada. So I guess we'll see how this goes. All right, y'all, we're getting unloaded right now.